Dancehall singer Serani has joined forces with reggae singer Kabaka Pyramid on a new single dubbed Gonna Be Alright. The track is featured on the Spot On Rhythm compilation, which will be released this Friday. The accompanying music video for the track will also premiere on the same day. The Kabaka Pyramid project also features heavyweights like Richie Spice, Turbulence, Jafras, Egyptian, and Kalia, as well as Snatcher Lion. Kabaka is scheduled to kick off his West Coast US tour. The tour will kick off on March 26 in California and will conclude on April 24 in Dallas. A new Miss World was crowned last night at the Coca-Cola Music Hall in San Juan, Puerto Rico. Miss Poland Karolina Wilawska won the coveted title during the Grand Coronation Show. Now, reigning Miss World Tony Singh, who was the longest title holder in history, took the stage to perform a rendition of Never Enough from The Greatest Showman before crowning her successor. Now, Sri Sieni from the United States was first runner-up and Olivia Yasse from Cote d'Ivoire second runner-up. After being crowned, a tearful Carolina said she was left speechless. The highly anticipated Miss World final show was broadcast globally to over 100 countries, where viewers watched and followed online as the reigning Miss World Tony Singh crowned the 70th Miss World in Puerto Rico. U.S. actor Jussie Smollett was released on bond from jail in Chicago last night, pending an appeal against his conviction for falsely claiming he was the victim of a hate crime. Last week, the former Empire star was found guilty of lying to police and is sentenced to 150 days in prison. Following his sentencing, his lawyer launched an appeal. Smollett has always maintained his innocence in the hoax incident, which took place in Chicago in 2019. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for ePrime.